Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix YouTube video sound not working on your Android phone. So let's get started. If YouTube videos are playing but you can't hear any sound, there are a few simple fixes you can try. First, close the YouTube app completely. Then open the Settings app on your Android phone and go to Sound. Here, you'll find different volume controls, including media volume, call volume, and ring volume. Make sure the media volume is turned up, since YouTube uses your phone's media volume. After increasing it, open YouTube again and play a video to see if the sound is back. If the problem still isn't fixed, go back to Settings and open Apps or App Management. Find YouTube in the list and tap it. Then select Force Stop and confirm if asked. This refreshes the app and often fixes temporary issues. If there's still no audio, stay on the YouTube app info page and open Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing the problem. This won't delete your account or videos. If the issue continues, go back to the same storage section and tap Clear Data or Clear Storage, depending on your device. Confirm the action, then reopen YouTube and sign in again if necessary. Now play any video and check if the sound is working. In most cases, one of these methods will solve the problem and restore audio on YouTube. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.